I'm so bored. Me too. Hey, I have a great idea. What is it, Spike? Brother and sister. Sorry. Prepare to be amazed, 'cause we are going camping! Okay. Okay, I'll just go get ready then. Me too! Meet me outside when you're done. Waiting, I'm waiting. Waiting. Waiting, I'm waiting. Whoa there. What is it, Spike? Jessica, you're bringing all that stuff? Yeah, and you're bringing only that? Yeah. My teddy bear needs to come too. What do you have in there? I'll show you when we get to camp. Okay, well, Jake's coming. Wait, I need my... I'm gonna go start loading the car. Okay. Whoa, bro, you're bringing more than Jessica! Well, Jessica's suitcase is in here. See, right there. Oh, okay, Jake. Well, are we ready to go? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Get up, Jake, and Spike, give me your stuff. How did I fall? Okay. It's stuck to the ground. I'll get it. Okay, Spike, get in. There's no room for me. Oh. You'll have to get behind me and Jessica. Fine. Sorry, I gotta get in. Okay, let's go. Whee! Up there looks like a good camping spot. Ow! Stranger! Ah! Nice driving, Drake. Thanks. I was being sarcastic. Hey guys, let's get unpacked. Drake, you brought the tent, right? Yes, I did. Okay. Okay, Jessica. Here's your stuff. And I'll get my stuff. And there we go. Let's start getting set up. Come on, guys. Sorry. Okay, are we good? Spike. What? That's all you brought? Yeah, my blanket, my biscuits, my bucket, and my microphone. A microphone. Yeah, I need to practice my singing. Whatever. Well, Jessica, do you think we're ready to start the fire? Yeah. Okay. It took you that long to start a fire? Fire takes time. Hey guys, I'm hungry. Well, I think we have some marshmallows. Spike? Yeah? What are you eating? Oh, I'm not eating anything. Nothing. I smell it. Is it pizza? Oh, it's just my wonderful Ponyville souvenir box that just happens to have pizza on it. A pizza! What is your guys' problem? Ow. I'm tired. Huh? Who's there?
Hi, I'm Talking Tori.
And I am evil. Ella, is that you?
I like Victorious. I like that show, but it's payback for trying to hit me with your car!
Oh, that. Whoops.